Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can use Systeme.io and ClickBank to start generating your first affiliate sales as an affiliate. The best thing about this is it's going to cost you absolutely no money at all, and it's a really simple way for you to get started. If you haven't already got Systeme.io, I will leave a link in the top right hand corner of the screen where you can go and check out exactly what you get for your money, but effectively it allows you to build your affiliate business for no out-of-pocket expense. I'm going to show you step by step how you go about picking your offer from ClickBank, which is somewhere you can go and sign up for completely free. We're actually going to choose an offer, get our affiliate link, and then we're going to build our opt-in page using Systeme.io, and also set up some emails so that we can start sending emails to our opt-ins. This is a completely free method and it's an easy way for you to get started. And this video, if I'm honest, is aimed at new affiliates that are looking to understand how all the pieces go together, because sometimes it can be very difficult to understand how, although it sounds easy, it's difficult sometimes to make everything work. So I'm going to show you how you go about getting your link, building your opt-in page, and setting up your email so you can start generating, up to $100 per day using ClickBank offers. And if you're new to my channel, I do videos all around affiliate marketing and helping new affiliates become better at what they want to achieve, and that's making more money online. So if you want to be notified when I put content out, please click the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so I can notify you when I put content out. So I just wanted to give you an overview of what we're trying to achieve. So the idea is we're going to be driving traffic through whatever source or medium you're going to be using. So you could be doing blog posts, you can be doing social media, you could be doing YouTube videos like I'm doing at the moment. Whatever that source is, you'll be driving them to your opt-in page, which we will build for free in Systeme.io. We will then have the opportunity to email our prospects again if they don't make a purchase the first time around. The fact is most people don't make a purchase until you've made about 7 touches, or you've 7 touch points. So they need to see that offer over and over again before sometimes they'll actually make a purchase. So we'll have their email address, and this is the most important bit, because once you've got an email address, you have an asset. That's a tangible asset, and this is what we try to do as an affiliate marketer. We want to build a business. Now without email addresses, you don't really have a business at all, because you'll be sending that traffic directly to a page where they have a buyer, they don't, and then you had no control and you can't influence them again in the future. So this process will help you be able to capture that information, and then you'll be able to remarket not only the product that you originally were sending them to, but other products in that same niche depending on what niche you're in. So we're going to head over to ClickBank and we're going to choose our offer. Now, if you haven't already got a ClickBank account, it's as simple as going to clickbank.com. I will leave a link in the description for you to go and do that, and you'll simply come up to the top and you'll click start here. You'll enter your details, and that will include your username, or what they call your hot link username, so then you can generate your affiliate links. Once we're in the marketplace, you have a whole range of different products that you can choose from. ClickBank probably has the largest marketplace when it comes to digital media, and everything from arts and media to learning languages, home and garden. Pretty much any niche that you're into, you will find a product or service. So for the purpose of this, we want to choose a category depending on the niche that you're in. So for example, if you were in the cooking, food and cooking, you could have a look at these offers. Now you'll see these metrics at the bottom. I'll just zoom in so you can see it a little bit better. We've got the conversion, so initial conversion rate, which is $20.41. You've got reoccurring billing. This is basically a product that they have on a monthly basis, so it's a rebill, so you can get paid over and over again. We've got the gravity score. Now this is basically the number of people or affiliates that have sold this product before, and what I will do is I will leave a link to this page here, which is the general stats, so you understand what all the metrics are, so you can go and take a look at that. But effectively, if you're new, what you want to do is try and limit the competition. So you want to choose products where the gravity is probably less than anything over 100. So go for products that are probably not as well advertised by other affiliates, so you have less competition. A lot of people will say go for the high gravity ones because they're popular and people are buying them. That's true, but equally the people that are promoting those will probably have more experience, and they'll probably be able to outdo you when it comes to affiliate marketing. So depending on your niche, you want to choose your product. Once you've chosen your product, it is simply a case of you clicking the promote button and then entering your ClickBank hot link ID, which is what you would have used to set up your account in the first place. Now, what we also want to do is we want to choose a product where they will give us some collateral to use as an affiliate. So if we look down this list, we can see here on this particular product for the keto breads, there's a link for an affiliate page. Now, what the affiliate page will do, it will allow us to use assets that will help us sell their products better. So if I open this link, you'll see that they give us information that we can take and use for our website, or we can have on our opt-in page. So effectively it does half the work for us. You will have to change it up a little bit, and sometimes they'll even give you things like email copy and other collateral that you can use to put on your website, etc. This probably isn't the best example, but I have got one here. If we have a look at this particular product, it's recession proof profits, and if I actually go to their affiliate page, so as an affiliate you can have access to all these tools. So you can get links, you've got email swipes, you've got banners, and you've got frequently asked questions, and effectively you can take the emails, put them into your autoresponder, and you've got some ready-made emails done. But you will need to rewrite them because you want to come across as being authentic, and obviously you don't want to sound like all the other affiliates that are promoting that product. So once you've decided on your product that you're going to promote, you want to click promote, and then you want to enter your ClickBank hop link name, and I'll just put this one in for now, ClickBank, and then generate hop link. And this is the link that we'll be sending our traffic to for that product. So now you've chosen your product, you've got your affiliate link ready, you want to go and build your opt-in page using Systeme.io. If you haven't got an account, all you need to do is come to Systeme.io. There's a link in the description below. You'll enter your email address, and then that's it, you're good to go. There's no credit card or anything like that. Once you log into your account, this is the dashboard you're taken to, and the bit that we want to be looking at is the funnels. So you want to click on the funnels, and then we want to build our page from here. So once you've done that, you can see I've got 2 pages in here already, but I'm going to create a new one. So we just head over to create, click create, and then you're given some options. So you can give this funnel a name. So let's, for example, say that I'm going to promote this recession proof product, this recession profit secrets. That's my product I want to promote. I want to give my funnel that name. So I'm going to call it recession, if I could spell it, recession profit secrets. And then we want to build an audience. You have got some options where you can sell a product or service, you can customize it, you can also run evergreen webinars, but for the purpose of what we're trying to do is we want to build our email list. So we want to highlight that. At the bottom you can see that it gives you a currency list. So if you're selling your own physical products, you could choose what currency you wanted to sell in as well. That's also part of Systeme.io. So we'll click create, and it does its magic, and then it gives us some options of pages that we can use. So these are pre-built templates that we can go ahead and use. And what we want to do is we want to make these landing pages as simple as we can, because we're new, and we also want to make sure that it doesn't confuse the person that visits that page. We want them to do one thing, and that's to give us their email address. So we want to give it a good headline, and then we want to give them the option to give us an email address so that we can then send them emails, and obviously onto the product page. So you can see on the left hand side we've got a squeeze page, and then it says we've got a thank you page. So if you were giving something away like a lead magnet or a free PDF of some description, you can have that thank you page there. But for the purpose of this, we're going to send them straight from our opt-in page to the affiliate offer. So we're going to delete this thank you page. Just click confirm. So we've removed that step. We're into our squeeze page, and then we want to choose one of these templates. Now, as I said, we want to keep it quite simple, so I'm going to choose one of these. As I said, we want to keep this page really clean, so I'm going to choose this particular one here because it does look really clean. It's just an opt-in email address and name. You can get rid of those if you don't want that. Here you can see you've got the URL path. Again, we want to name this so you can recognize that when you've built more than one funnel. So I'm going to call it what we called it previously, which is the recession profit secrets, because that's what I'm going to use as my example. Once you've named that URL path, we've got an option here to either view the funnel, we can go and edit the page, and obviously we can change the page template if we decided we didn't want it, we didn't like it. So I'm going to go and edit the page, and you'll see that the page itself is really clean. It's really simple. You can add a privacy policy and affiliate disclaimer and everything at the bottom of this if you wanted to do that, but I won't for the purpose of video. If you want to go and watch me do that with this product, then I'll leave a link in the description where you can go and follow along how I do that, so you can do it yourself. So we want to change the headline, we want to change the video button, but we want it congruent with our product that we're selling. So if I go to the sales page of the product, we can see here we've got a headline: "Don't let the dollar burning cartel loot your bank account." I'm going to use this headline, and then so I'm just going to copy this headline and I'm going to add it to my funnel. And we're obviously going to change the colors because we want to try and make it well, it's not save that, just bear with me, it's gone. Go back to the page, so copy and then add it to the page, and I'm going to change this to red because I want to make that stand out. I also want to italicize it and underline that. So we've got a headline, that looks okay. I want to add a sub headline as well, so I'm going to grab this headline text and we're going to put it just above that box, and we're going to put another call to action. Again, I'm going to take it from the sales page because they've given us everything here. You will want to change it up a little bit, but effectively these guys have tested this copy. They're far better at copy than I am, especially if you're new. You may find this hard as well. So they've given us some of this to use, so we might as well use it. So I'm going to put in there: make money during the recession and walk away wealthy. That sounds okay. In here we want to enter the name and email address. Now if you don't want it to be an email, if you just want it to be, you know, the name, you can get rid of, sorry, if you just want it to be the email address, you can get rid of the name if you wanted to do that, because the less that your prospect has to do, the more likely they are to fill it, actually complete it. So for the purpose of this, I'll leave it as is. And then at the bottom here, I want to change this button's color and also what the text says as well. And if I actually look at this background, that doesn't look very congruent with anything to do with making money online, or, you know, this is actually to do with investing. So I want something that's going to give that impression as well. So I'm going to take an image from a free site called Pexels. Again, I'll leave a link in the description where you can go and you can search any image you want. Also videos as well, you can use for your videos if you're doing videos, and you can take that and use that to help build your page out. So I'm going to change the background, and we can see, you can see here it's got this background image. I want to upload something else. So I'm going to upload. So I'm going to select a file, I'm going to look at downloads, and that's the image that I've got. So that's uploaded. Now we can actually choose that image. So I'm going to choose that image and we're going to click insert. And as you can see, the background's changed, so the background looks more congruent with the offer that we're selling, and that's what we're trying to do with this. So the other thing we want to do is we want to change this button color. We want it to stand out. So if I double click on that, you can actually choose the color that you want it to be, and you can also change the text that you want it to say. So you can change the button size as well if you wanted to. And then if you look at the top of this, you've got send form. Or you've got open a URL. Now this is the important bit. This is where we want to be able to send our visitor to our hop link. So you need to go back over to ClickBank Marketplace, grab your affiliate link if you've not saved it to a Word document or something, take your affiliate link, and then you want to add it into this squeeze page that we're making. So I'm going to grab my affiliate link. So I'm going to grab my affiliate link from the offer. I'm just going to use this. I mean, obviously this will be your affiliate ID, so we're going to copy that, go back over to our page builder, and where it says open URL, you need to type the URL in there. So that's the page that the visitor will go to once they click send me, send me to the page. But we're going to change that text as well. So in order to change the text, if you go onto the left hand side of the screen, you can see here it says button text. We just need to change that. So I mean, you can change this to whatever you want. So click here to access. You obviously want to make it sound sexy and, you know, make them want to click it, but you get the idea. I'm going to make this font a bit bigger as well. And then I want to change the color. If we scroll further down, you can see here it's got background color. And I'm going to choose something that's a little bit brighter. That looks okay, that's fine. So that's our page. Now once you've done all this, you can then go and preview the page. So we can just click on this little eye icon at the top, and it will take us to another open page, and then we'll be able to see what our page looks like once it's completed. Now I think that looks okay. You've got a reasonably good headline. Obviously you want to make it as good as you can. If you can use the collateral you've got from your affiliate vendor, from the offer, then do that, and then just change it to make it more attractive. So if you were to come to this page, would you put your email address in? And then obviously we've got the details where they'll add their name and they'll add their email, and then they can get access. So I'm going to save that page. So if we save the changes, and then we actually want to go and test this page to make sure it works. So if I just go and have a look, so we can actually go and have a look at this page now. And then if we just click on here, I'll put a bogus email address in. And if we click access, we can see we're taken to the vendor's website. So we know now that this page actually works. So now what we need to do is we need to set up our email. Now the first thing we need to do before we start sending emails is we need to set up our campaign. So it's simply go to emails, click campaigns. I've actually set one up, but you literally click create. So you want to click create, give the campaign a name. So you want to call it what your product is you're promoting, and then you want to give it a description, something so you recognize exactly what it is. Then you want to save the campaign, and then this is what you're given. And then what we want to do is we want to make sure that when somebody actually does opt into our page, they're automatically then subscribed to this email campaign. So in order for us to do that, we just need to go to funnels, and then we need to choose the funnel that we're looking to work with. So it's a recession profit secrets. And then we want to add a rule. So we want to add an automation rule so it automatically subscribes that person to the email. So we click add rule, and it's a funnel step. So form subscribe. So when someone puts their email address in, and then it asks you to add an action. So we want to add an action. So subscribe to campaign. And then we want to choose the campaign. Now I've set that recession profit secrets up, so we want to click on that one, and then we just simply save rule. So now we know that when somebody enters an email address, they'll automatically be added to our email subscriber list, and we can start sending them emails. So let's go and set the emails up. So we know we set up our landing page. It's connected to our email campaign that we set up. So now we need to go and actually start preparing our emails to go out to our subscribers. We need to click on emails, go down to campaigns. The campaign that we just set up is the recession profit secrets, and then we'll click on that and we'll open it. And what we want to do is we want to add an email. So this is the first email that your subscriber will get. So we'll click on add. The sender name, this is the email address that the email is going to come from. So if you have connected a domain name to your free Systeme.io account, that's what it would be. But we want to give the email a subject. So we'll call it thanks for subscribing. Thanks for subscribing. Did you check out the offer? Obviously you want to make this as clicky as you can, so make it enticing for them to do it. You've got an option of a visual editor or a classic editor. The classic editor is the easiest one for you to get started with. It just means there's no graphics or images for you to have to worry about, plus it will be cleaner for your subscriber, because you'll be just sending them an email message. It's going to be saying hi, welcome, and all the rest of it, and then you're going to be asking them to click a link. So we want to create, and then as you can see here, we want to be able to put some information in this email box. This is exactly what they'll be getting, so whatever you type in here is what they'll receive once you actually save this and schedule it. You can add variables. Now we've added an email address, but we don't want that. We want first name, so you can start typing your email. So for example, hi, and then you want first name, so we can add first name here. So I'll go first name, okay, and then you can go and start writing your email. Now, as I said earlier on in the video, if you've got collateral that you can use from your affiliate offer, so the vendor, the person that's actually selling the product, or the company selling the product, you can take some of their email swaps if they've got it, but you need to change them up. So for this particular product, Recession Proof Profit Secrets, I have got email swipes that we can use. And if I scroll down, you can see here it's given us some options. So I'm just going to choose one of these for the purpose of this. So if I choose this one, so we can say, hey, first name, and then I'll copy this. And we'll go back to our email editor, and I will type this in here, or paste this in here. Now you want to format this. You can add images if you want to do that, but you don't necessarily want to do it. But You can see we've got the email copy, and then if you want to hyperlink this back to the product, so you know where you want the visitors to go to, you simply just need to highlight the text. So I will choose, for example, this one. Go here to take action because they've given us the email copy, and then we want to click on this link button here, and then this is where you will type your affiliate link. So again, we want to go and get our affiliate link. I'll just grab that link quickly and I'll copy that, and then we add that to this page, and then what will happen is it will automatically make this link clickable. When somebody clicks on this link, they'll be taken to your offer. So once you've done your first email, you want to be able to save this, and you can send a test message if you want to. I would suggest that you do that so you can read over your email, make sure you've got no typos or anything like that, and then you're good to go. But we'll save this email. And then if we want to go back into it, we want to add another one. If you wanted to add another email, and I would suggest you do that. But if we just go back into the email we've just done, we want to save and publish. Because once you save and publish, it's then live. Now you've got the option of delaying the email, but obviously if somebody opts into it, to your email list, for example, if you opted into somebody's email, you'd expect to see the email straight away. So we don't want to delay this at all. We just want to leave it as is, and then you can come in here and you can change the time when the email should be sent, days of the week, etc. But we don't want to do that. We want them to receive it straight away. So we'll just we just want 0, hit publish, and then we're good to go. Then we will go and add another email. Again, we'll just choose classic editor. Subject of this email is day 2, whatever it is that you're promoting, you can put a second email in there or headline in there. And again, we want to go in and then put the copy in here. And if you've got the collateral from the vendor, you can then use their emails. Again, you have to rewrite this. Just trust me, you don't want to just copy and paste it. You want to make it your own. But for the purpose of this, I'm just going to copy and paste so you can see exactly what you need to be doing. So again, I'm going to paste that. I'm going to add a link as well. So click on that. We'll click on this hyperlink, and then we'll paste our affiliate link. I'll take that affiliate link, paste that in there, click OK, and then we're good to go. Again, we want to come to the top, click save and publish. And again, this time we want to send it a day after they've received that subscriber email. So after they've received the first email, you can make it longer than that if you wanted to do that. You can, like I said, specify times the email should be sent, days of the week. But we're going to hit publish. 1 day after. And there we go, we're good to go. So now we've got our first email, we've got a second email, and you can build this out as big as you want to. So effectively, you've done everything now. You've gone to ClickBank, you've chosen a product, you've got your affiliate link, you've built out your landing page, so you're able to send your visitors to your landing page. From there, they can then fill in their details, and you can start sending them emails. So you've got everything you need to start building your affiliate business, and it hasn't cost you a penny. So thanks for watching, everyone. Now you have your page set up, you've got your emails done, it's cost you absolutely no money whatsoever. You can start using this tactic to drive your affiliate business. Now, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up and hit the notification bell. If you found value in this video, please share it, and I will notify when I put other videos like this, which will help you build your affiliate business online as well. Now, on that note, if you are new, if you've fallen down the trap of shiny object syndrome, if you're fed up of buying products that just don't work, I've got some completely free training in the link in the description below that you want to go and check out. It will get you started on the right path. So I appreciate you joining me. My name's Sean from Affiliate Income Hero, and I will speak to you soon.